May mga bagay ba sa iyong buhay na pilit mong kinakalimutan upang hindi mo na maalala? Perhaps these are some bad experiences in our past na talaga namang nagbibigay sa atin ng pagdurusa every time na atin itong maalala. Pero bakit kaya na every time na nilalabanan natin and every time na pilit natin itong kalimutan, mas the more pa nating naalala at mas the more pa tayong ginagambala? Let's do a short exercise. What I want you to do is don't think of the word monkey. For sure, the more na ayaw mong isipin ang salitang monkey, the more na mas naiisip mo pa ito. In short, forcing yourself to forget makes you think of those memories more. Instead, what we can do is to acknowledge those thoughts or memories and allow them to pass by. And the goal is not forgetting, but not being affected every time those memories come by.